If you have hooded eyes and when you try to do a wing eyeliner, the wing can distort your look. So let's try something new for hooded eyes, which is awesome. Hi everyone, it's me AMEEN here. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to be showing you a brilliant eye makeup technique that is not stunning, but it's a great to pull off and make your eyes look more lifted. I am using this Huda Beauty brows pencil to fill my brows, and it's super easy for beginners. Now I am directly applying my own customized foundation to look more clean and sharp. I am using Zovia's brushes to apply foundation. You can watch this video for more detail. If you are beginner, please must watch. Now I am applying Eyeliner Pro Concealer to hide my dark circles. I am applying this on under eye. Leave it for 5 minutes to set it and then apply. You can apply the foundation. Do you guys know I made a everyday makeup bag for my sister? So you can also watch this video. It will be helpful for you. Thank you. Now the next step is I am going to set my foundation with this MAC loose powder. Now the next step is I am taking this beautiful pinkish peach shade both on a blending brush, and I will apply on the outer V of my eye. I will blend outward to look my eyes more bigger. Now I am taking these two dark shades. I am going to blend it on outer V. Now I am applying the same brush without any color on my crease line. It will enhance my eye shape. Right now it's time to moving on the main point of my video, and it's so important. I am using Kashi's black gel eyeliner and this nail art brush. Now I am applying a thin eyeliner, a basic eyeliner on my eyes. If you are beginner, then please watch this video on my YouTube channel. This is wingless eyeliner, which is suitable for everyone. If you are beginner, must watch this video after this. Now I am taking a black shade on a small round blending brush, and I am blending on outer V. This looks really great and really awesome. Just put the color with this brush and blend it with a big blending brush. If you are beginner, please don't forget to watch this party eye makeup. This is super easy for the beginners. It's super easy and super amazing makeup for hooded eyes. Here I am going to share this tip with you. Take a black eyeshadow and apply like this and blend it. It will enhance your eyes. Next I am going to curl the lashes. Applying the mascara. For this I am using Fabulous Lash. This is an awesome mascara and I'm using this hack. This is a viral TikTok hack and it looks really amazing. If you are not wearing false lashes, you should try this hack. Now I am sharing another beautiful tip with you. I am using Kashi's white gel eyeliner on my waterline, and this will make your eyes bigger. I also use the white gel eyeliner in this video. You can check this on my channel, and now here you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is after. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. I will see you soon with the brand new one.